Welcome to Idulike. Let us introduce ourselves. This is my mummy.
Hello, I am Ishfa Musarat Ahorar. This is my papa.
Yes, I am Mominur Rahman. Today we would like to talk about class 3 math chapter 8. The name of the chapter is fraction.
Fraction. Fraction is part of whole. Part is called numerator and of whole is called denominator.
For example, 3 by 4 is a fraction. Here 3 is called numerator and 4 is called denominator. Remember that D for down. So down is denominator and up is numerator.
How we express fraction?
3 by 4 is a fraction. It can be expressed as 3/4.
3 comes from numerator and 4 comes from denominator.
Again, 2 by 5 is a fraction. It can be expressed as 2/5.
2 comes from numerator and 5 comes from denominator. Comparing fractions.
Some fractions are same, equal, or equivalent fraction.
And some fractions are unequal or unequivalent fractions.
Unequal or unequivalent fraction can be greater than or smaller than.
Same, equal, or equivalent fraction.
In the fraction 3 by 4, 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. If 3 is multiplied by 2 and 4 is also multiplied by 2, and again 3 is multiplied by 3 and 4 is by 3, again 3 is multiplied by 4 and 4 is by 4, and finally 3 is multiplied by 5 and 4 is also by 5, we get 5 fractions here. These all 5 fractions are same, equal, or equivalent to each other.
Multiply numerator and denominator with the same number to get equivalent fractions. How to identify equivalent fraction?
If we take two fractions, 3 by 4 and 6 by 8, we see 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24 and this 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. So this 24 and this 24 are the same.
Thus, 3 by 4 and 6 by 8 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent or not equivalent fractions.
Between the fraction 3 by 5 and 9 by 10,
3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30 and 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. This 30 and this 45 are not same.
so we can say that 3 by 5 and 9 by 10 are not equivalent. Again, between the fraction 4 by 6 and 8 by 12,
4 multiplied by 12 is equal to 48 and 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to also 48. This 48 and this 48 are 48 is equal to is same.
yeah, actually 4 multiplied by 12 is 48 and 6 multiplied by 8 is also 48. This 48 and this 48 are the same. Thus we can say that 4 by 6 and 8 by 12 are equivalent.
Greater than and smaller than fractions.
Be careful about this symbol and this symbol. These two symbols are used to express greater than or smaller than. This symbol is like an angle. The number inside the angle are greater.
How do I indicate greater than and smaller than fractions?
Two fractions, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. If we compare these two fractions, we see 5 is the common denominator, and as 3 is greater than 2, we can say 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. It can be said that 2 by 5 is smaller than 3 by 5.
If the same denominator fraction with greater numerator is greater. Addition of fractions.
1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Here 5 is the common denominator and 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Again, 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7 equal to 6 by 7. Here 7 is the common denominator and 2 plus 4 equal to 6.
If the same denominators add the numerators. Subtraction of fractions.
7 by 9 minus 2 by 9 equal to 5 by 9, because 9 is the common denominator and 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Similarly, 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 equal to 4 by 6, because here 6 is the common denominator and 5 minus 1 equal to 4.
If the same denominators, subtract the numerators. Subtraction of fraction from 1.
1 minus 2 by 9 equal to what? This 1 can be expressed as 9 by 9, and 9 by 9 minus 2 by 9 equal to 7 by 9, because 9 is the common denominator and 9 minus 2 equal to 7.
1 minus 7 by 8 is equal to what? 1 can be written by 8 by 8. 8 by 8 minus 7 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. 8 is the common denominator and 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Thanks for watching this conversation. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thanks a lot.